This is the helicopter we're going to be taking today over to Vancouver. We're here in Victoria. So we just took off. I'm sitting here by the window. This is taking off from the little harbor area in Victoria, looking back over the edge of the city. You can see Vancouver Island there. We're climbing up pretty fast here. Ride's going okay. A little scary. So we really can get a great view of Vancouver Island here, which is actually, that's Victoria City and the suburbs there spreading out. You can see some of the Channel Islands there. I think that's what they're called. So now we're just starting to come into Vancouver. This is the cabin here, kind of tight. And we're coming in, there's the docks and stuff in Vancouver over to the right. Start to see the downtown area of Vancouver. Our pilots doing a wonderful job, both of them, bringing us in safely. And cool thing on this helicopter is we land quickly. Just kind of drop right down, and we're right on the little helipad. You can see coming up real closely here, right by downtown. And this helicopter's loud. I don't know if you noticed that yet. Here we go. Coming in, Vancouver, what's up? And nice easy landing. Got off the helicopter in Vancouver. Great ride. This dude was standing next to me, sitting next to me. Had a great time. That's the way to go. Go the Helijet. Hella fun.